Go! I'm getting really wet right now. That sounds weird, but...
He tries to like laughing and the whole time in the background.
So you guys are true directioners because you did it in the rain.
Thunderstorm, tornado, warning. I don't know. Let's do it for an hour without being scared.
Please be careful! They're such nuts. Alyssa, you run weird.
I'm just being a
Should we do that again? What else dances are there?
Oh! Don't run. Very slow. I'm just kidding. You thought I was... Check out.
No, Alyssa, do the Louis hair. No, hand how he would raise his hand thing.
Oh.
No, it was.
I don't know.
You guys are cute.
I bet you would get on. That was funny. And that's what I was going to go.
Do Harry's pelvic thrust.
That's what makes you beautiful.
Oh my god. Or do people going all the way, all the way.
Katy Perry's on the play.
She's on replay.
People going all the way. Yeah, all the way. He was just like this. He was like,
I know.
all the way.
And I was like, what?
I want to say, oh, that's really loud. 1,
This is going on Facebook.
3, that's what? I didn't know what we were doing.
Please be careful, don't die.
1, what's he saying? I want to say, I feel like a...
Like a dying chipmunk.
What's the other one? You don't have this one now. Do the chocolate choo. Hold on. Bounce, I can't do Scottish, Irish dancing, whatever.
You just need Scottish.
Cupid shuffle. Do the Cupid shuffle.
Oh my god.
Shuffle. Wait. To the right, to the right, to the right.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick. Okay, I sound retarded.
That's my favorite song ever.
Okay, I'm getting off. Goodbye.